So for this activity, i-review natin ulit kung paano mag-multiply ng mga algebraic terms. So let's start with number 1, which is x times x. So ang tatandaan lang natin dyan, ang pwede lang natin, ang gagawin natin kapag parehas yung variable is ina-add natin yung exponent nila and then minumultiply yung numerical coefficients. Now dito wala ka nakikitang number, pero dito may 1 tsaka dito inu-omit lang sila pag 1. Same with exponent, meron sila exponent na 1 pero inu-omit na kapag 1. So ang gagawin mo dito, kukopyahin mo yung base and then i-add mo yung exponent, yung dalawang 1 na hindi mo nakikita kasi inu-omit na yun kapag 1. And then minumultiply mo yung dalawang 1 din na numerical coefficient, pero hindi din sila nilalagay kapag 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. And then yung exponent, ina-add mo lang 1 plus 1, magiging x raised to 2, or x squared. So same with number 2. Yung mga parehas na variable, pag nagmo-multiply ka ng algebraic terms, ina-add mo lang yung exponent. So copy yung variable, tapos i-add mo yung exponent, mga exponent. So you have x raised to 6. Next, number 3. Same. X raised to 9. Copy mo yung letter and then i-add mo yung exponent. So again, ang tatandaan lang natin dito, yung magkaparehas na letter lang yung pwede mong i-add yung exponent ng number 4. So number 4, titignan mo yung x dito sa first group, x squared, at saka yung x dito sa kabilang group, yung x raised to 4. Sila lang yung pwede mong pagsamahin. So magiging x raised to 6. And then yung y times y times y cube. So di ba meron tayong 1 dun na hindi na nakasulat. So i-add natin yun, 1 plus 3. You have y raised to 4. So x at saka y di mo pwede pagsamahin kasi magkaibang variable. Tulad yung sabi ko kanina, yung magkaparehas lang na letter ang pwede mong pagsamahin yung exponent pag nagmo-multiply. Next, number 5. So may a sa first group, may a doon sa second group, sila yung pagsasamahin ng exponent. So a raised to 6, and then yung b raised to 3, b raised to 2, magiging b raised to 5, c raised to 7, and then c. So again, pag tinaka-indicate ko ang exponent, ibig sabihin 1 yun. So c raised to 7 times c is c raised to 8. 7, meron kang 7 c, meron kang isang c. So total 8 c. Next, paano kung wala magkaparehas? X raised to 3 times y raised to 4. So ang gagawin mo, you'll just copy, since di mo naman pwedeng i-add yung exponent ng x at saka exponent ng y. Ganyan lang. Next number, same with number 7. Titignan mo yung mga minumultiply mo, wala namang magkaparehas na variable. So therefore, you'll just copy. Now, I suggest kapag multiple yung variables mo, is naka-arrange siya alphabetically. Number 8. X squared y raised to 5 times x raised to 6. So kung titignan mo yung y, wala naman siyang kaparehas sa kabila. So you'll just copy. Pero yung x, meron siyang kaparehas na letter sa kabilang group. So yung 2 at saka 6, i-add mo. So you have x raised to 8. And then yung y, you'll just copy, since wala namang y dun sa kabila. Next, number 9. So dito sa first group, may a. Sa second group, wala. So you'll just copy yung a. Sa first group, may c. Sa second group meron. So yan, pagsasamahin mo yan. So you have c raised to 5. Next, d raised to 6. Tapos d sa kabila, may kaparehas siyang letter sa kabila. So magiging d raised to 7. Again, meron kang 1 dun, di lang nakalagay. And then yung natitirang algebraic term yung b squared. Now, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, aayusin mo yan. Alphabetical, mauna yung A, tapos B, tapos D. A squared, B squared, C C raised to 5, D raised to 7. So in rule, hanapin mo lang yung mga terms na magkaparehas yung letter and then i-add mo yung exponent. Kung wala silang kaparehas, we'll just copy. Tapos arrange mo alphabetical. Next, naulagyan natin ng mga numbers, yung mga numerical coefficients natin, greater than 1. Ito kasi panay 1 lang. So again, ang gagawin mo lang dun sa mga algebraic, dun sa mga numerical terms is, i-multiply mo lang. I-apply mo yung rule ng pag-multiply ng integers. Pag parehas yung sign, positive, pag magkaiba, negative. So 3 times 4, 12, and then x times x. Number sa number, yung minumultiply, letter sa letter, yung minumultiply. So x times x is x raised to 2. Again, kapag nagmumultiply ka ng algebraic terms, ina-add mo yung exponent ng mga variable. So meron kang 1 dun, meron kang 1 dun. So now you have x raised to 2. Negative 5 times negative 3 sa next number. This is positive 15. And then x squared times x squared is x raised to 4. Negative 12 for number 12. Negative 12 times positive 2. So this is negative 24. Y raised to 3 times y raised to 5. This is y raised to 8. Yan, i-add mo yung exponent na magkaparehas na letters. Number 13. 8 times negative 3, that is negative 24. Kasi hindi sila parehas ng sign. M raised to 16 times M raised to 4. This is M raised to 20. Add mo sila. Next, number 14. Positive 6 times positive 4. This is positive 24. Again, optional na lang yung positive sign. Pwede mong i-omit. Pwede huwag nang ilagay yung positive sign. Now, x raised to 3 times y raised to 3. Hindi sila parehas na letter, tama? So, pag hindi parehas yung letter, tulad dito, we'll just copy. So, this is x raised to 3, y raised to 3. Ang pwede mo lang pagsamahin yung exponent, yung letters na parehas. Or parehas na letter. Yun lang ang pwede mong i-add yung exponent. Next, number 15. Negative 2 times negative 3. Positive 6. M raised to 2 times N raised to 3. Again, magkaiba yung letter. So, therefore, you'll just copy. Yan. Number 16. Next, i-multiply mo muna lahat ng numbers. 5 times 6 is 30 times 2, 60. Anong sign? Positive, since positive sila lahat. Next, a raised to 3 times b times c squared. So, obviously, walang letters na magkaparehas. So, ang gagawin mo, you'll just copy lahat ng variable nila. So, a raised to 3, b, c raised to 2. And again, I suggest na dapat alphabetical yung pagkakaayos. Kung nauna yung b, tapos c, tapos a. Dito sa final answer, mauna yung a, tapos b, tapos c.